So this is just a quick introduction on how to use the website. So the first thing you want to do is choose one of the topics that you're doing. Don't forget the internal assessment there. If you click on that, that is actually a topic where it's got all of the other calculations leading up to your internal assessment, and it's following a similar guide to the way the other things are: end of unit topics, PowerPoint notes, practice exam questions. So don't forget that. It'll be updated once I've done the latest workshop. So generally, the first thing you're going to do is watch the videos before class. So I'll put a video underneath on the flipped classroom. So they are quick, but you just copy down your notes. So every topic has the full PowerPoint notes. So it's got all standard level, high level topics there. It's the only place too where you're going to see which syllabus point I've covered. So if you go to that title, that thumbnail page, you'll see that the syllabus points there, and then you can copy down the notes and watch the video. And that's the flipped classroom. Then you come to class, ask your questions. Teacher will teach the topic bits they need to, that you still have questions on, and then you spend the majority of your time hopefully doing practice questions. So there are practice questions for standard level and high level with answers. They go just here above the selected exam prep questions. So if you click on that, it'll download or open for you. And the high level ones are over here. These are exam questions with video answers. So I'll go through each one with you. And at the end, there's also topic tests for standard level and high level just after the PowerPoint notes. So on top of that, there are actually other worksheets around the place as well, if they're needed. So it's based on need, basically. And so in the past, I've always found the big need was obviously for stoichiometry. And so these stoichiometry ones are now much, much better because they have fully worked answers. So if I go to, any of them actually, if you click on them and do them and you don't know how to do the answer, just click on whatever. Did I fluke that one? There's the full worked answer. So labeled formulas, substitute, and units with correct sig figs as well. So that's all done as well now for all of the practice question sets. And for organic chemistry, there are also practice question sets as well. So it's dynamic. It's based on what students need. And so I'll update it as I go, as I normally do. Okay, so practice questions there. The only other thing there, so all of the videos cover all of the tools and skills as well. So we don't have a melting point determination. So when I can't do the lab in class, I'll refer to someone else who's done a good job, so that you've got all the skills and tools covered as well. If it's not done in the IAs, it's done here. Okay. These games are pretty cool. You can just start them like that. And so you got to try and find where anion is, a negative charge. And it'll time you and tell you if you get it wrong too. So heterogeneous, if I click the wrong thing, it won't let me do it. And I have to keep trying until I get the right one. And then I only got 2 out of 5 and I'm losing time. So you can test yourself on that. Again, organic chem and galvanic cells have those sort of quizzes as well. And the other thing is another improvement is the flashcards for standard level and for high level. I think I've covered everything now, haven't I? They have the formulas that aren't in the data booklet. So if I don't know if there'll be one in this one. I'm pretty sure there probably is. 55, that's a lot. Okay, but there are certain formulas, such as, let me think. Got a list here. Formulas not in the IB. Atom economy, well, not in detail anyway. Formal charge, a few of the acid-base equations as well. There's more than that. There's quite a few. So that's an upgrade for the online flashcards. This is good because if you don't know it, it'll put it in a special list. Like if you get it wrong, you put it in the don't know section. If you get it right, you put it in the know section, and you can shuffle it as well. So that's an overview of what you get on the website. All the videos have been fully updated for the 2025 syllabus. And if you ever need anything else, just send me an email and I can hopefully add that to the website. All right, thank you.